on, crawl down. Skip, 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 down. Skip, 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 skip. Sorry.
All right, for the person who wins, they get a stack of Doges.
Nice.
All right, I got this.
Red
Stop my dog!
All right, ready?
No.
Three.
A whole stack. No, 3, 2, red light.
Ow! Ow!
Red line. Red line.
No, I said red light.
Red line. Red line.
Red light. No,
Red line. Why did I think that would work?
Wait, they're fighting each other. They're turning against each other now.
Why would they do that?
This is it. This is the end of the world. I always knew the end of the world would happen with a bunch of weird Shiba Inus taking over the world.
There's
Ow.
debate
Alright,
over who the
get back there.
leader is. You can see
Alright, green light. Green light. Oh, green light.
Green light.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Green light. Red light.
Oh, okay. Like,
He was moving. I saw him move.
Green light.
Kill Bodil for me.
Barbarian! Kill the
I said
barbarian!
red light. I said green light.
light! I heard green light! I win!
Right.
Red light, okay.
Alright.
Hey! Red light! I saw that!
What happened?
Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Alright, that's
Green
I
light.
don't think
Green
red
light.
works.
Green
Through
light.
the kitchen. Through the kitchen.
Green light.
Wait,
Oh, that's upsetting.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is gonna work.
Green
Go,
light.
doggies.
Wow.
Green light. Green
Oh god,
light.
they're all
Green light.
Green light.
green light.
Green light.
Wait, where is everybody?
there
Oh
ever
crap,
red
they're going up there.
I believe in equality, Deadlocks, and my point and my view on equality is simply this: I get to go to the
Sure.
boat, and you don't get to follow me.
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
What?
I think that you should check.
Oh
the
my
kitchen.
God! No! Shit!
Look behind you. Okay, actually, this is a bad idea to spawn these doges because they're just attacked. Wait, how did Bodo get out here?
I don't know what you're talking about.
No,
What
get out.
get out? No.
Bodil, run, Bodil!
I'm running. Help
Bodil,
me.
don't you fail
Oh.
me! Bodil, don't you fail me! If you fail me, I swear to God, we're not friends anymore.
Oh, that's gonna be bad. What? Big Star! No! What did you
Okay,
do?
hold on.
Why? Why is this a thing?
Hardcore, parkour. Woo!
I brought an army.
Wait, you guys
How,
around?
how did you do that?
I
Oh,
brought
you
an army. Don't touch me!
You have an army.
No,
We
no.
have a doge.
Oh god.
Attack them, my minions! Eat him!
No, I missed. No, parkour failure.
Dude, I totally just hardcore parkoured that shit. Holy shit. Bye-bye, Modil.
No!
Oh wow! One is dead.
Oh man, now I'm back at spawn.
Me too.
Alright,
Deadlocks,
Ty, did
let's
you
get a
actually
party
just
on
fall?
Spawn.
All of my dogs followed me.
Oh
It's
wow,
red
I just
dogs
died
everywhere.
too. Well, I'm no better than Ty. That's definitely something.
Wait, did I shoot you, Bodo?
No. You
Wait.
couldn't. I just
Wait.
fell.
Ty,
Bodil, can you throw a ladder now?
Ty,
Yeah.
I want you to know this, and we could talk about this before you even shoot at me.
You want to be my friend? You want
Yeah,
some stuff? I can give you some
Yeah,
stuff.
I'll take some stuff.
Sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Some stuff?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright.
Yeah.
Here, have WoW attack.
Go! Kill him!
Bodil,
Oh,
Yeah.
Big Star.
Okay, alright, give
What
you
you
WoW
didn't
attack.
know is that I am actually the
God.
I own dogs, and they attack people
What?
when I hit them.
Much WoW.
Wait, what was the name
Such
of the
attack,
dog
much
whisperer
wow.
guy from National Geographic?
The dog whisperer.
do you hear me?
Dog whisperer.
On?
The dog whisperer.
Dog
Yep,
whisperer.
Exactly what
He
I meant.
whispers
Big
things.
I can whisper to dogs.
Oh no! Oh man!
Hello.
Is it just
help
me,
you.
or does the dog whisperer sound like a weird porn name?
It kinda-
Dog whisperer. He's always like this. Baby, it's okay. The dog whispers here.
Dog whisperer is here. And then he has his like little chihuahua right next to him. He's talking to his dog and he's like,
It's like the Taco Bell chalupa dog.
Oh, food! Yes.
Yep, get some. Do you need some more?
I think I'm good.
You guys
Alright, let's
remember
go.
when the Taco Bell chalupa guy was actually a thing? Like the Taco Bell dog? I remember when the
Hey.
Taco Bell dog was actually a commercial.
I remember when it wasn't depressing and he wasn't dead.
Is he dead?
Yeah, it is legit. Yeah.
Oh,
I
now
was
I'm gonna
really-
get those
it was-
comments like of people going, "You insensitive fuck," and I'm gonna be like,
don't
"It's a
worry,
dog,"
we
and I
don't
didn't
get-
even know.
We don't even have Taco Bell in Bulgaria.
Hashtag it's rest in peace. Just rest in
Vic,
peace.
quick, jump!
They're
jump,
all
Vic.
jumping off
You
the
got it!
cliff.
You got it!
No!
Yeah! Good job!
I was.
oh my gosh. Well, I don't get why you guys are freaking out. I'm back at spawn just chilling here trying to get out of prison. And you guys are just...
Yes, you joined
Do you
us.
want to?
Ta-da!
kinda
It's so
died.
funny. Whenever I like jump anywhere, my dogs follow. So just like 30 of
Yeah.
them just fell in the water.
How many dogs do you have?
I have enough, man.
A vast majority of mine.
Don't tell me when I've had enough.
Yo,
Vic-
these dogs are
Vic's-
opening the
Vic's-
doors.
Where are you going?
I made it! I made it to the boat! Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
You tricky! You tricky motherfucker!
Let's get more dogs. Let's get more
Tricky
dogs.
son of a bitch! You
Ow.
smart!
Ow.
I like you. I like you. I'm gonna
right.
touch you when I get up to you.
I like you. I'm not gonna kill you off.
You'll be my friend forever.
It would be kind of like racist to kill the only Indian guy off. I feel like that would. a lot
Wow,
of bad
Ghost.
intent.
I can't. Wow, okay.
Wow.
It was all fine until you said that.
What's the problem
I
with him being
think
Indian?
Sorry.
Well, I don't understand.
Next time.
Is there a problem with him being Indian?
No, they make great food, which is why I want him to live.
They actually do. I love Indian food.
Yeah.
I
In
feel
all
like-
seriousness, I had some the other day, and what are those things called? Where they're kind of like deep fried cheese or something?
Talk about you
It was-
stabbing
they were-
me in my ass.
Those were like hella good. I swear to God. I think Indian food, in all seriousness, like let's get on topic here.
It's pretty dope.
It's like my favorite food.
It's-
But
yeah,
you gotta kind of realize. I mean, Vic is like he's not just Indian. He's what are you?
I'm not a chef either. I'm British nationality.
You're British Indian.
Is British
So
a race?
what?
Is Doctor Who a race?
Yeah, Doctor Who is a race and a religion. If you didn't know.
It actually is.